Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the RC, and today I'm going to showcase the Lexon JDM Body kit. I finally got it installed. So today it's going to be a little bit of a different video. We're going to do just mainly a walk around the car, no driving, and I'll just kind of explain, the process, how the car looks, and just my overall impressions on the kit. So let's get started. Also, another thing to note, I'm not doing it in the POV style. I put the GoPro on a little handlebar because I figured I can show the details of the car a little bit better with the handlebar. But no, this is the kit, guys. We'll do a little walk around first. The car looks really aggressive now. The kit really suits the car well. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just do a little walk around the car, and then I'll kind of explain each part of the kit. So I guess like how a model goes on the runway, they do a little twirl. We'll do a little twirl around the car real quick. But this kit again is for the 2019 plus RC, so post facelift. They have a Lexon kit for the pre-facelift RC, which is, I think, model year 2015 to 2018. So if you want it for your pre-facelift RC, you can get that as well. But no, the car looks amazing now, especially the front end. I feel like the front end was kind of naked before, but now with the front lip, at least, it looks really good. So I'll just show you the Lexon badge right there. So this is the front lip, guys. Basically, to install the front lip, it required 8 nuts, bolts, and washers, and 3M double-sided tape. To install it, the body shop had to pull down the bumper. So they pulled down the bumper, they drilled holes, and then they installed the lip. Again, the whole body kit's painted in 212 Obsidian, so essentially Lexus gloss black. This is just to match the spoiler that I had installed. But this is the front lip. It looks really good. I especially like the 3/4 angle right here, when you can see the side skirt and the front lip together. Now let's go over to the front lip. This is the front lip. I'll do a little close-up. And sorry, the car is dirty. The body shop recommended not to wash the car for about a week or two, just so the paint could cure and the adhesive could cure. But this is the side skirt. This required, I believe, 4 nuts, bolts, and washers, and double-sided tape. To install it, they had to drop the rocker panel because they had to drill holes. The other thing that the body shop mentioned was that you had to cut the fender liner. So I don't know if you can see, and I actually have a bolt that's loose here. I have to tighten this in. But they had to cut the fender right here. So if you were to install this, you have to cut the fender. Now I'll show you guys the rear diffuser. Now this is the rear diffuser. Again, little Lexon badge. And this is what the diffuser looks like. Hopefully the lighting's okay. It's not the greatest. But to install the rear diffuser, the shop again had to drop the rear bumper, and it required 6 nuts, bolts, washers, and double-sided tape. As you can see, the diffuser comes with a 4th brake light. I did not get it wired in. I just left it as, like, as a reflective light. I didn't see the point of wiring it in because, this isn't a tuner car. I guess it's now an aggressive looking luxury Grand Tourer. Now my only complaint with the rear is, and I brought this up before, I think this lighting will show it best. The lower bumper insert, it's like a matte black, matte gray, and I obviously painted the diffuser in gloss black. Now, I think it's okay in some lighting, but in direct sunlight, you can see the transition. Like, it's really apparent. So I may drop the rear lower insert and get it painted a darker trim paint. That's what the body shop recommended. He said we can paint that a little bit darker so it blends in a little bit more. And I guess another thing to note, this rear diffuser is not complete. The Lexon kit, if you buy the 5-piece kit, it comes with little spats, but it's really expensive. It's like $500, and I didn't see the point of buying 2 plastic spats and getting it painted and installing it here. So I don't think it's worth it. But again, maybe after a while, when I guess I have more funds, because this costed a lot of money. I'll get those spats and complete the kit. But no, the car looks really aggressive now. I'm hoping the lighting does justice. And I'll show you this side, because you can see the side skirt a bit better in this lighting. But again, here it is, a little close up. Same process here, drop the rocker panel, drill some holes, and get it installed. But now the car looks sick now, with the orange brakes, the gloss black body kit, the gloss black spoiler. And honestly, I like the car how it is right now. Like, I'm a happy man. I can leave the car alone and I'll be happy. I think the only thing I really want to do is I want to do a, I guess, what is it? Why am I blinking on the word? Sorry, a gloss black wrap on this chrome piece right here on the mirror. So just wrap it black, maybe wrap the roof black, and then on the front they have this, it's like a satin, or not satin, I'm sorry, gunmetal or like a dark gray trim accent piece. Just wrap this gloss black so it all ties out together. And then yeah, I think the car would be complete. But yeah, this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Lexon kit on a 2019 Plus RC350. I think it looks really good. It gives the car like a completely different look. It looks a lot more aggressive than before. I've said this before, I feel like the IS is super aggressive. The RC is kind of like the ES, where it just looks naked. Well, not naked, but it's missing something. And I think this adds that final touch. So I'll just do one last walk around. You guys can get a good look at it one more time. And yeah, I'd actually like to hear your guys' thoughts, especially on this lower bumper insert, if I should get it painted darker. I'm okay with it right now, but maybe as I look at it, like if I stare at the car for another week or two, maybe I'll want to get it painted. But I think right now it looks pretty good. And I also want to shout out the body shop that got this installed, Garage Works in Hayward, California. Shout out to Lynn, he's the owner. Him and his guys, they really took care of me. They squeezed me in. They did a really good job. The quality of their work is like evident in this kit. Now, I know the car is very dirty. As I mentioned before, I can't wash it, but once I get it cleaned up and I can actually do, like, you know, maybe take it for a little photo shoot, you guys will really see like the amount of effort and work that they put in. So shout out to them. Thank you for their help, and I'll definitely go back to them if I ever need you know, painting, especially like that lower bumper insert. I'll go to them to get it painted. But that will wrap up the video, guys. Again, this is a Lexon kit on an RC350. I finally feel like my RC is unique. Like, how many RCs do you see with a Lexon kit? I only know one other person, at least in the Bay Area, with the Lexon kit in an RC. And I think her Instagram page is Craziness RC, KRZNESS RC. I think she's out in the peninsula and she has it on her RC. But yeah, the car looks really unique and I'm really happy. Like, it looks amazing. But that will wrap up the video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions on the kit, like on install process, getting it shipped from Japan, anything like that. Let me know in the comments. I'll answer the questions. But yeah, that'll wrap up the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.